what's up, top producers? I'm out here with Brian, one of our top producers, and we're out here at beautiful La Frontera in Fort Worth. And Brian, what brought you out today?
Just to take a look at the beautiful homes that y'all have for sale out here.
Well, the party, of course.
And I love this area.
The scenery, the rolling hills, you got Eagle Mountain Lake right across the street.
I've shown homes out here before.
It's actually a great neighborhood. I've done lots of business in here before, and First Texas is doing a knockout job out here.
What do you love specifically about, maybe some of the benefits of the program?
Well, it's fantastic because not only does the buyer win because they get a great home.
Well, $9,000 in closing costs should perk up anybody's ears for one.
It's a lot of incentive for us.
Right, and the open house opportunities is a very good incentive to help you also attain buyers.
Let's say that we find the perfect home for them, and it happens to have a bonus on it. Man, I get a little extra bonus, and of course that makes me happy.
It motivates us to bring buyers to you guys.